Copilot AI Button. Keyboards used to have keys for things people actually use: volume, mute, and screenshot. Microsoft decided the one thing every keyboard was missing was a dedicated button for an AI assistant nobody asked for. It is now physically on your keyboard, on your taskbar, in your right-click menu, in your Office apps. Copilot is everywhere on Windows now, which would be impressive if anyone had actually requested it. Start menu ads. The Start menu is where you find your apps and files. That is its entire job. Microsoft decided that was not enough and started showing ads inside it. App recommendations, they call them, on an operating system you already paid for. To be fair, Samsung does the same thing with bloatware, and Apple does it with iCloud notifications. But there is something about opening your Start menu to find your files and seeing an ad that feels like a very specific kind of betrayal. The right-click menu. Right-clicking a file used to show you every option available. Cut, copy, rename, delete, all of it right there. Windows 11 replaced that with a shorter menu that hides everything behind a button that says Show More Options. So now every time you want to do something basic, you right-click, see the short menu, click Show More Options, wait for the full menu to load, and then finally do the thing you wanted. Microsoft took a 2-second task and turned it into a 4-step process. If this video is making you realize how much Windows has been quietly annoying you this whole time, a like helps it reach more people who feel the same way. Xbox Game Bar. Xbox Game Bar is a gaming overlay that lets you record clips and chat with friends while gaming. For gamers, that sounds genuinely useful. The problem is that it runs in the background on every Windows PC by default, including the ones that have never launched a single game. Your office laptop, your school computer, your grandmother's PC, all of them have the Xbox Game Bar running quietly right now, using memory, waiting for a gaming session that is never coming. Microsoft Edge. Windows comes with a default browser. Most people just use it to download Chrome and move on. Microsoft does not want you to move on. Every major update quietly checks if Edge is still your default browser, and if it is not, it starts asking questions. Pop-ups, prompts, full-screen messages explaining why Edge is actually good now. One update literally made the decline button smaller than the Try Edge button. Microsoft built an entire campaign around convincing you to use a browser you already decided not to use. The commitment is genuinely impressive. Still here? Good. If nobody has ever broken down tech this simply for you before, the subscribe button is right there, and it is free. Just click on it already. OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage. Store your files online and access them anywhere. Genuinely useful if you choose to use it. The word choose is doing a lot of work in that sentence. OneDrive sets itself up automatically, moves your files into it without clearly asking, and sends notifications about your storage being almost full on computers with a full terabyte of local storage sitting there empty. Your files are technically still there. They are just in the cloud now, whether you wanted them there or not. Phone Link. Phone Link is a Windows app that connects your Android or iPhone to your PC so you can see your notifications, reply to messages, and access your photos without touching your phone. On paper, that is actually really useful. The problem is that setting it up requires pairing both devices, granting about 15 permissions, keeping Bluetooth on, and hoping both devices stay connected long enough to be useful. Most people open Phone Link once during setup, see the connection drop, decide it is not worth the effort, and never open it again. The app has been on Windows for years. Most people only find out it exists by accident. And if you have made it this far, you are clearly someone who appreciates honest tech content. Share this with one person who uses Windows. They will thank you. MSN News. Microsoft added a live news and weather widget to the taskbar that opens automatically when you hover over it by accident, which happens constantly. And when it opens, it is not just the weather. It is celebrity gossip, clickbait headlines, and sponsored articles sitting right next to your work apps. You hover near the corner of your screen for a split second, and suddenly you are reading about a celebrity's breakfast. Microsoft calls it news. Your productivity calls it something else entirely. And those are the most useless Windows features explained. Short, simple, and honest. Drop the one that drives you crazy in the comments. YouTube already has the next video ready for you. It is right there on your screen. See you there.